Hey, I'm here with what's your name?
Mike Ames with the AbitibiBowater Paper Retriever Recycling Program.
How did the company get started?
Like everybody else has got started in recycling, we saw that the need for recycling in the United States was needed, and we decided to start recycling so we could save some of our planet and our future.
Do you also recycle like cans and bottles?
We recycle white paper, white-based paper. We turn all of our paper into newsprint, and that's the reason why we don't take the cardboards and the brown papers, because they're turned into different products. We don't recycle any other goods at this point in time, but the future is the future, and it may change.
How many bins are there in Massachusetts?
We're approaching around 1,000 bins in Massachusetts. We put them down as quick as we're asked. There's a backlog because there's such a high demand on bins right now.
How can recycling help the community?
Recycling can help the community by eliminating landfill space that recycled products do take up. In our program, we're paying back the community money for the performance of paper put in the bin. The more the paper that goes in the bin, the more that we're able to help the community with support by paying them back per ton.
What is your job like?
My job's very enjoyable. It's very rewarding to be at a place like we are today, seeing what you folks do with your recycling.
Hi, my name is Mary. I can interview Andrew 40. How you doing in the triangle, Andrew?
I'm doing well, Mary. Glad to have you here to talk about the recycling program.
What you doing about the recycle?
Well, a couple of months ago, one of the other people that works here, Suzanne Henderson, she works in the residential department, her and I were talking, and we talked about maybe starting to recycle some of the white paper because we throw so much of it away. Suzanne did some research, and she found a company that was willing to come here and put a dumpster in our parking lot, and we would collect all of the paper and take it out and put it in the dumpster, and then when it got to be full, they would come and pick it up for free, and they would let us have the dumpster for free. And then also the big bonus is based on weight. We would even get some money from them.
Andrew, what are you doing at home?
Well, what we can all do at home to recycle is to collect all these papers and any kinds of magazines and plastic. You can also get some energy efficient light bulbs, which I know we've been talking about a little bit before because we've been working on them downstairs on the work floor.
Hello, my name is Alana Fitzsimmons. I am here with
Hi, I'm Mark Friedman, sales manager here at Triangle.
what are these light bulbs doing?
Well, what we're doing is we've been hired to package these energy efficient light bulbs to go to residences out in California where they're having problems having enough electricity power for the residential homes out there. So what we do is we put these together, they get mailed to homes in California, encouraging people to use energy efficient light bulbs and help save the planet at the same time. Wanted to show you our beeswax candles. What we're doing is we cut up sheets of beeswax into strips, and then we cut them into smaller pieces and cut the wicks so that people can take these and roll them up, and you have a beeswax candle. And what these beeswax candles do is they also save on using oil, because this is not made from any oil derivative. It's a natural product, and it burns cleanly.
Hi, my name is Kevin Chandler. You're doing the circle that you here, Ben.
I do the recycling. I put papers in there.
Yeah.
To recycle the papers and take them to the outside and put them in a dumpster.
And when during you been here?
I take that all over the place and Triangle and collect all those papers.
Why are you putting them around your circle?
Because we want clean inside here for the environment.
Are you like recycling like buying? No.
I think it's a great idea. I think that we need to do more for the environment and we need to go green. And I think that this is a really good start for Triangle.
Yeah.
And it's going to make me think twice about doing it in my own house too. I'd like to see Triangle taking this to all the houses, and maybe we can even recycle for some businesses in the local area. So I think this is a really good start for Triangle, and I'm really excited about the project.
Yep.
Well, I think that we need to conserve all of our resources, and we use so much paper here when we're helping people get jobs or helping with education that we really need to recycle all our paper. I would love to see not only paper recycling, but aluminum and plastic recycling, just like we do in our neighborhoods. I'd like to see the same kind of recycling programs here at Triangle.
If you're doing a circle, triangle, Sean.
I love the recycling here at Triangle. I think the system works awesome. I think it's great, helping the environment. Awesome.
I like recycling at Triangle. I think it's good, and I love when they come and pick up my barrel. I get to see everyone's smiling face. I love recycling.
We have some inserts that you'll find in your newspapers, also some catalogs that you'll get delivered to your offices. Within these, we have the steel paper clips or binder holes for your ring binders, so you can store them.
Okay, now can those be recycled?
Yes, they can. What we do with the glossy paper is great. It weighs a lot more weight, and the metal is removed during the recycling process at our mills, and we do recycle the metal as well. So that can go in. You find your different inserts into your papers. The coupons also has staples in it. Paper clips, ring binders also can be put into the bin. And these glossy inserts that you see here are great recycling products. They do weigh a lot of weight when they are put together. So a mixture of paper, all the paper that I just showed you, a good mixture, we're usually getting about a ton and a quarter of paper per load as we pick up a full bin. Paper goes from your location here up to another location in Wilmington, Massachusetts, where it's baled. From there, we have it shipped to our recycling mills, which breaks it down, turns it back into pulp by removing inks, metals, any prohibited types of materials. We then turn it back into paper, which then again gets sold back in the New England market as newspaper.
What can we do besides recycle to help?
You don't buy products that you know that can't be recycled. Most everything today, there's a use for it. There's a lot of companies out there that specialize in different products that are available on the market. But the first focus to do is to focus on buying materials that can be recycled.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.